Today, we've got breaking news from Crypto.com making more strides forward to the future for their exchange and for mainstream crypto adoption as a whole. This is very important news for Crypto.com CRO coin holders and for all users of the Crypto.com app. They made some moves today that are absolutely massive, which are launching stock trading. Now, it's not yet available in every single state in the US, but they are rolling it out today. This is huge news that I want to discuss to you guys the implications of, and there is more coming possibly very soon. This got rolled out a lot faster than I would have expected, and the meaning behind this is potentially extremely bullish for CRO token as we're going into perhaps one of the biggest bull markets we've ever seen in cryptocurrency history. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. And let's jump right into this one. The big news for the day is this: the first release of 2025. This is the CEO of Crypto.com, Chris, posting on X saying we are rolling out stocks and ETFs to US users, guys. They have already come out with essentially leverage trading, futures trading on their app. You can bet if it's going to go up or down, the up or down options that they've actually released for cryptocurrency. They've had, obviously, their Crypto.com Visa card programs, which have been wildly successful. A lot of people have those Visa cards. I'm going to talk more about that in this video. But we've also had the marketing partnerships, the earn functionalities on this app, so many different things. They even launched their own Web3 game, the Loaded Lions Main City. They have their own NFT marketplace that they were able to do those NFT sales on top of. There's so much going on, but now they're launching stocks, guys. To think about this, it's incredible. There's only one other place that I know of where you can actually go buy crypto coins and you can actually buy stocks. That's Robinhood. Robinhood was originally a stock trading platform for retail people like you and me, just regular everyday folks. And then they launched crypto. When Robinhood launched crypto trading, I think that it grew their customer base a lot. The amount of people that went to Robinhood to buy dogecoin and Shiba Inu was huge. And there's a lot of people that went to Crypto.com to buy dogecoin and Shiba Inu as well. But now you've got a whole different class of users that can come into the Crypto.com app. It's called Crypto.com. It's all about crypto, but now it's about stocks and ETFs as well. What is the implication of this? It's actually a huge implication. You've got regular folks that want to trade stocks just like they do on Robinhood that might start downloading Crypto.com to trade stocks, actually. Now, I don't think that it's going to be an insane amount of people that are coming to Crypto.com for stocks, but I do think that this is going to increase their user base tremendously. And with their user base being increased, what we're going to see, I believe, is more buyers for the Crypto.com CRO token. It was just this year where we officially saw the CEO of Crypto.com actually put $CRO in his bio for Crypto.com. He's starting to talk about CRO token more so than ever before. We've seen them come out with their roadmap for Crypto.com, where in this roadmap, they talked about launching stock trading like they just have started to roll out today. We saw them talking about banking services. We saw them talk about so many different things. Let me jump right into this. If you take a peek at their website, they've got so many different things going on their website, but you can look into a variety of different things. They've got now crypto, stocks, and access to banking, and they've got their Visa cards, which I actually like quite a bit. You can actually get up to a 3% deposit bonus for stocks, 7.5% cash rewards if you do banking services with them, which we still don't know about yet. They haven't launched those services yet. And up to 8% on spending rewards. So let's just take a peek at this a little bit. Again, stocks, they've got banking rewards coming soon. This is still a feature to launch. So think about the implication here. You're going to bank with them. You're going to be able to trade your crypto with them. You're going to be able to trade your stocks with them. You can literally do it all, and then you can spend with them. I personally love their Crypto.com Visa cards, guys. Now, if you want to buy one of these cards for yourself, whether it is the Indigo or the Jade Green or the Ruby or the Rose Gold, I've done both. You can sign up for one of these cards really quickly. It's super easy using the link in the description down below. I've had the rose gold card for a while now. And back when actually it cost $40,000 to lock up. And yes, I know that is a lot of money for most folks out there. That's quite a bit of money to lock up. And it's not, for everybody, right? But the cool thing is there is a card tier for everybody, right? You could get one of these Visa cards for just $500. You can get one of these Visa cards for just $5,000. And you can get them now, the Icy Rose Gold, the Rose Gold one, which I have right here. You can get that for $50,000. You have to buy CRO tokens, and then you stake those CRO tokens for 12 months. That's what this is. It's a 12-month lockup. So would I, if I had only $50,000, do a $50,000 all-in CRO lockup for 365 days? No, I wouldn't, because we've got a bull market coming up where I think it's only going to last for another 200 days or so. So, let's say you got $50,000 in CRO. Well, then the ones that make sense for you maybe are the Jade or the Ruby if you want to do it at all. I like these cards, and I like what I'm seeing from Crypto.com, because with the banking services that they're going to be doing, with this stocks trading that they're going to be doing, you think about this, guys. People are going to be able to take profit from their stocks. They're going to be banking potentially with Crypto.com. They're going to be taking profit from their crypto, and then you can live off of your card. You can actually go to McDonald's breakfast if you want a cup of coffee. You can go pay for your gas with these Visa cards. You can spend anything you want with these Visa cards, and then there's a bunch of rewards that come with the cards. There's so many different rewards that come with the cards. You get 5% cash back with no limit on the Rose Gold, which is why this one was so enticing to me. There's, really good cash back on that one. If you're wealthy enough to be able to afford a lockup for $500,000 and do the Obsidian, you get 6.5% cash back, which is awesome. You actually get a lockup reward as well for the Jade Indigo, which I think is the most affordable. I think it's the most affordable one for kind of your average CRO user. And definitely Ruby is the most affordable with perks. No doubt about it. $500. I think most of us can afford that. I think a lot of folks out there can afford the $5,000 one. So let's just break this down a little bit. You can actually get CRO rewards on everyday spending, 2% with the Ruby Steel, 3.5% with the Jade Green, 5% with no limit on the Rose Gold, 6.5% with Obsidian, 8% with the Prime. You can actually get the CRO lockup rewards as well. So when you actually lock up those CRO, you're earning on those as well. 4% with the Indigo, 8.5% with the Rose Gold, 9.5% with the Obsidian, and 10.5% if you're wealthy enough to do the $1 million Prime card. The Prime cards, I don't expect a lot of people to have these at all. Now, if you're sitting on like $20 million and you want a Prime card, there's some really cool benefits that come with it. I don't expect most folks that are watching this video, 99% of folks to be getting that one. You also get different perks with the earn functionality, like you get an extra 0.75% kicker with the Rose Gold, a 0.5% kicker on extra earn functionality with their earns program, and then different referral bonuses. So if you're actually a card holder, when you start referring people out and people sign up to Crypto.com through your link, you actually get more rewards that way. So they've got so many different things going on, and if you don't have a Crypto.com card yet, if you're using Crypto.com and you don't have a card, I think it's at least exploring the free one, the midnight one, but I think the Ruby is pretty cool and the Jade. Now, if you have a ton of money and you want to get the Icy Rose, I got the Icy Rose. I enjoy it quite a bit. When you unstake your CRO, you actually don't get the rewards, and so you need to keep it staked, which is why it should be a percentage of your portfolio. It shouldn't be the whole thing, because it's important to have enough funds to be able to take profit and things like this. But this news story about them launching stocks is quite a big deal. It's quite a big deal. They just closed out 2024 with 1.29 trillion in spot volume. They had a meeting with President Don Meister here, the new president of the USA. Big things are happening for Crypto.com right now, and they've still got a lot of huge things happening ahead. I'm very bullish on the CRO token as well. I think that it's got a tremendous 2025 ahead of it, back to 16 cents. If you just zoom out, guys, I believe that CRO could go to $2. I believe that it might even go to $4 in this bull market. Definitely looking to at least see us get past the 99, 98 cent wick that we saw back in 2021. I think we're definitely going to get $1. In my opinion, I think a $2 CRO is even simple, but we could go a lot higher than that. So if you want to take advantage, earn some rewards, check out the link we have down below for you guys to get your own Crypto.com Visa card if you're into that. Regardless, you can now trade stocks there. You can now do banking services starting sometime in 2025, and they're going to launch a Cronos ETF. I think the CRO token is going to continue to perform well into 2025 because our total market cap is continuing to move to the upside. Crypto.com keeps unleashing new products that are very excellent in having an opportunity to bring more users and get more awareness for the CRO coin. Guys, that's all I have for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, DCA, HODL, and of course, my friends, I'll see you in the next one. 2 videos here if you want to check them out. I'll see you next time, y'all. Peace.